In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a resume page in card.co. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional online resume you can share anywhere without spending hours designing from scratch. Start by logging into Card and creating a new site. Choose templates, then open the resume or CV category, browse a few options and preview them to see how the layout handles sections like experience, education, and skills. Pick a template that fits your field and personality, whether that's minimal and modern or a little more creative. Templates are a huge time saver and give you a polished structure right away so you can focus on content instead of layout. Once the template opens, replace the placeholder text with your information. Add your name at the top and a clear headline that states your role or specialty. In the summary or bio, write a short 2 to 3 sentence description that highlights what you do best and the value you bring. For experience, list your most relevant roles in reverse chronological order. Use concise bullet-style lines inside each entry, lead with strong verbs, emphasize impact, and include results where you can. Keep education focused on your highest or most relevant qualifications. Add a skills section that matches your industry along with certifications if they strengthen your profile. Finally, include a contact area and links to professional profiles or a portfolio. Keep everything concise and skimmable so a visitor can understand your strengths in seconds. Next, customize the design to improve readability. Adjust colors for strong contrast and accessibility, and choose clean, legible fonts with comfortable sizes. Increase spacing between sections to give your content room to breathe. If you'd like, add a professional headshot, pick a well-lit image with a neutral background, and keep the file size small so your page loads quickly. Stay consistent with styling, headings, accent colors, and button shapes should match across the page. Use the preview tools to check how it looks on desktop and mobile, and make small tweaks until it's easy to scan on both. When everything looks good, publish your site. Click Publish, set a clear site title and description, and choose a URL that's simple and professional. You can use a free subdomain or connect your own domain if you have one. After publishing, open the link on your phone to confirm it loads fast and reads well. Then share the link on your profiles and add it to applications. That's it. You've created a polished resume page in Card that's ready to impress.